Shipping industrial rigging equipment is not like moving a standard vehicle. Rigging equipment is often heavy, oversized, and built for lifting, securing, or moving large machinery. So the transport process needs careful planning. Industrial rigging refers to the equipment and process used to lift, move, and secure heavy loads. It is common in construction, manufacturing, transportation, plant moves, and large equipment projects. Because rigging equipment can vary widely in size and weight, the shipping method depends on the exact load. Some equipment may fit on a flatbed, while larger or taller loads may need a step deck, lowboy, or multi-axle trailer. Before getting a quote, you need accurate dimensions, weight, pickup location, delivery location, and loading details. These details help determine the trailer type, route, permit needs, and securement plan. Oversized or overweight rigging shipments may require permits, escort vehicles, route surveys, or restricted travel times. That is why planning ahead is important, especially when crossing state lines or moving through tight job sites. Loading may involve forklifts, cranes, ramps, or other heavy lift equipment. Once loaded, the equipment must be secured properly with the right chains, straps, tie-down points, and weight distribution. Before pickup, the equipment should be cleaned, inspected, and documented. Remove loose parts, check for leaks, confirm battery or power requirements, and take photos so there is a clear condition record before transport. For industrial rigging, experience matters. Look for a transport provider that understands heavy equipment, oversized load rules, trailer selection, insurance details, and safe loading procedures. So, how does industrial rigging shipping work? It takes accurate specs, the right trailer, proper permits, safe loading, and careful coordination from pickup to delivery. For more helpful transport guides, visit A1 Auto Transport at a1autotransport.com and read the full guide on shipping industrial rigging equipment.